Morning. Busy day today. Lots to do. I should probably call Jack and see if we're ready for that meeting. Do you know if we still need lawn seat? Because I can pick some up on the way home from work. Have a good day.
You too. Peter?
When I feel the sunshine, I feel it down touch me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. When I
It's got an opening at 2 o'clock. All right. Okay, well, I can pencil you in and we can see.
Good morning.
Jared.
You are my favorite part of the morning.
As are you, Patty.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Let's do it.
Did we meet the numbers? Okay. We are going to do this.
We have to make sure that the reports come out right, though.
Yes, the reports are fine. Peter, you are going to kill this.
Ready?
Ready.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Are you ready? Let's do it.
1, 2, 3, go away!
Jack. His head wonderful. Mark. Great job. Great job.
Mark.
Yeah, thank you.
Peter, I don't know how you always do it, but we're very happy to have you on board.
Just doing my job.
Of course. Enjoy that bonus. You've earned it.
All right, Mark.
Good job.
Okay, we have to get ready to do this again in an hour. Are we ready? I don't know how you do it.
Are we done?
Almost. We have a 5 o'clock with the boss. He wants to hear how the rest of the day went.
Wonderful.
You need a cup of coffee.
Nah. Good to go.
You're an animal.
Let's do it.
Hey, you okay there?
I'm fine.
Okay. You just really gave it to him in there. He just wanted to know.
I
if you
know
capital-
what he wanted, and we did it. All frickin' day.
What the hell is your problem? You had a great day. Now go home and get your head back on.
Fine. Just tired.
Every goddamn day.
your day?
Fine.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. All right. Christ, Teresa, right when I walk in the door.
Sorry. Did you want something to eat?
Tired.
All right. Why don't you go lie down for a little bit?
I'm laid down.
Hey. Night. Morning. Sleepyhead. Morning.
Morning. What day is it?
Thursday.
The whole team is going to be in the office today. We've got to put together something good.